Hey Game Boys and Girls, George Restores here. Today we're going to see if we can fix this Game Boy original. I don't think it currently works, and as you can see the battery contacts are covered with corrosion. I'm guessing the previous owner left the batteries inside whilst it was in the attic, and I'm hoping this is the only or main problem. It should be a easy fix if we just get all the corrosion off, and it should hopefully work. Yep, as expected, there's no power. So let's open it up and see what the problem is. Here you'll have to unplug the screen by taking the ribbon cable out, separate the two halves, and we can look inside. Now I'm just going to use some isopropyl alcohol. In this case I'm using WD-40's contact cleaner to give the motherboard, contacts and parts a general well needed clean. I'm taking the contacts out to give them a good soak and try and get all that corrosion off. I'm going to start by giving them a general scrub with the alcohol to get the grimy bits off before I soak them. Now I'm going to let them soak in a mixture of vinegar, baking soda and lime juice. Now just to give one final scrub with some more baking soda, just to make sure. Right, let's put the contacts back in and see if it works. Before we test it, I'm going to take the front motherboard off and the screen just to make it easier to plug the ribbon cable back in. Fingers crossed it will work now. Time to flick the switch, and great, it works. Now I can get on with the cleaning process. The screen and speaker are a little dirty, so I'll just give those a quick wipe down with some contact cleaner. Now that it's all clean and everything's working, let's put it back together. As this Game Boy didn't come with a screen on it, I'm going to use a brand new one I've ordered online, but if you can use the original Nintendo cover, that's even better. And there it is, the finished product. I could have gone further to remove the marks in the bottom left and under the B button, but personally I think it adds character and keeps it looking old rather than like I've just reshelled it. Here's just a little bit of gameplay of Mickey's Dangerous Chase, Disney's 1991 classic. It's basically just a copy of Mario, with a few changes. It's not a great game, I just needed a game to test out the Game Boy. Just to add, the audio in the next episode should be 10 times better. I happened to film while someone was hoovering, so probably not the best time, but in the next episode it'll definitely improve. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I've got loads more episodes to come soon and many more consoles that need restoring, so stick around, click that subscribe button, leave a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.